Hey guys, in this video I'll talk about the must-have accessories for the Nintendo Switch from day one. So let's get started. Hey guys, I'm here from Simply Tech, help you master your knowledge in technology. And this video we're going to talk about the must accessories for the Nintendo Switch from day one. So the day you get this thing. So guys, the first thing I'm going to talk about, I think on the camera I don't think you'll be able to see it, but it's a skin protector. This is the must thing from day one, because I got this from Amazon. I got the 3-pack one, but there's a 2-pack one. The one I got is only $6, and there's another one I recommend. It's only $7.99. So there's a $2 difference. If you want this, is this one. So this is by Amphil, guys. They make the best skin protector. So this come with a 2-pack, but one that I got, it come with a 3-pack. So if you want to buy this, what the one I got, it will be linked in the description. So just click on the link. Guys, the second thing that I want to talk about is the must-have is a micro SD card. So if you don't know, a 3D, as I would say 3DS, a Nintendo Switch come with only 32 gig of micro SD card that is internal. So that's why over here after the kickstand you need a micro SD card, because this is a must-have. So for me now I got only 64 gig. So now you can find this for pretty cheap now. It's not like the Sony for the PS Vita one that is really expensive. It's just the normal size one. So this just goes for around $10. So this is 64 gig, but if you're on 128, it's gonna go for, I don't know, like 15-20. So guys, so just getting a micro SD card is really important. So if you're just thinking about getting all the game on like a physical, just go for a 64 gig. So that's the one I got. But in the later, just go for 128. It's gonna be plenty. Because the next thing I'm going to talk about is another thing that must have is a carrying case. So I got this on Black Friday, because if you want to see the unboxing of this bundle, this is a Mario Kart 8 Deluxe bundle. I'll put it in the iCard. So this is the one that I got. It's a cool carrying case, but I think it is by PDP. This carrying case goes for only $7. So it's a $20, but on Black Friday it is only $7. So you can put some game, you can put some accessories like the cable, and there's the switch. And if you do this, and that is, so there's a 4 design of this, guys. The one that I got, that's $20. So when I buy this one, I'll put the link in the description. But I'll recommend another one. It just goes for only $12, and this is officially licensed. It's this one. This is on sale, so this usually go for $20, but this is only $12.99. So over here, as you can see, this is also pretty good. The same thing as this one, but this is like this have a design and this one don't. This one is only $12.99, so it's on sale. It's gonna be a stock on December 19th. So if you wanna buy this, I'll put the link in the description. Guys, so next thing I want to talk about that I ordered it is gonna come really soon. So if you want to see that ad, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. So this is a controller adapter, so you can legit use any of the controllers. So if you have a PS4 controller, you can use that, guys. I'm gonna make a video on it. So this is the one that I got, that I to order on Amazon. Is gonna come pretty soon. So over here you can legit connect any PS4, Xbox One controller. So guys, if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. So guys, if you don't want that, if you don't have a PS4 controller or Xbox controller, you should get this, like a controller. So if you don't know, a Nintendo Switch have a Joy-Con problem, so that's why I recommend extra controller to play any like a Fortnite and other game. And also if you want to play like a Fortnite and other game, guys, this is not gonna be good. Guys, I tried it, so that's why a controller is a must-have. The controller I got only for $10, because it is a Black Friday sale from Target, but this can go from $20 to $24. So just go to your local Target or Best Buy, you'll find it. Or if you're doing online, just go to Amazon. So I'll show you guys. This is a white controller, so it comes with a micro USB cable, and this is what the controller look like. And also this is a headphone jack, and in the back there's a toggle button. Guys, so these are the accessories that I think that you should must have from day one to keep your to get the best experience from your Nintendo Switch. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys would like the video and subscribe if you're new. So see you guys next one. Until then, peace out.